So let's talk about how important diet is when it comes to hormones. In general, I talk about how important diet is. I mentioned a few different times how there's 3 things we can do to keep our bodies healthy, and that's eat, sleep, and exercise. And out of those 3, sleep is the most important. I know some of you have heard this over and over again, but it's just worth reiterating. Sleep is the most important. We will die without sleep before we'll die without food. And you don't have to exercise to live. It's not to say you won't be healthier, but you don't have to exercise to stay alive. But you do have to eat to stay alive. So second most important would be nutrition. And then third most important would be exercise. So when I have patients that come to me and they are going to start hormone replacement, whether they are female or male, and one of their goals is to get healthier, which that's probably why they're going on hormones in the first place, or to lose weight, I make it very, very apparent that hormones are a piece of the puzzle only. You're not going to magically start taking hormones and you're going to get healthy if you don't change your lifestyle or if you don't already have a good lifestyle. So diet is so important. Let me give you an example. Testosterone. We all know about testosterone being an anabolic hormone. What does that mean? It helps to build things. It helps to build muscle mass. We know that. That's why men have more muscle mass than women. And it also helps to build bone. Stay tuned for a video coming out on that. I've talked about it before, but there is no better drug for building bone than testosterone. Period. I challenge anybody to give me an example of something that is better than testosterone for building bone. So anybody out there that has osteoporosis, female or male, pay attention, because testosterone is more important than any drug that a doctor can prescribe for you that's for osteoporosis. That's what you usually lack when you get osteoporosis, is testosterone. So back on the subject of diet, testosterone is an anabolic hormone, right? So it helps to build substances in our body, including muscles. Well, where does muscle come from? Muscle is protein mostly, right? Mostly protein built from what? Amino acids. Well, if you're not eating enough protein, the testosterone is not going to do you much good. So you need to eat enough protein for the testosterone to work. It's kind of like this. Testosterone is like the contractor building a house, okay? It's like the boss. It's telling everybody what to do. And the food you eat, i.e. protein when it comes to muscle mass, is like the wood for the house. So the testosterone, the contractor, is telling the wood where to go and putting the wood in the right places. So that's what testosterone does for muscle mass. But it also goes with many other things in your diet, obviously. If you don't have a good diet with the right not just protein, but also the right vitamins, the right minerals, you aren't going to be able to do certain conversions in your body, whether it be thyroid function. Like, for instance, with thyroid function, if you lack iodine or you lack selenium, you won't convert T4 to T3, which is with a more active thyroid.